Hello, welcome back to Learn Lua on Codecademy. We're in the variables section. This is type coercion in concatenation and arithmetic operations. Buckle in and put your thinking caps on. We think you're ready for a tricky challenge. Suppose we need to use concatenation to make a result that mixes different data types such as a number and a string like this. Here we have highest score is assigned 25. We print out the highest score is, and we concatenate the number, highest score. What do you think the output would be? Hold on to your answer. In Lua, these situations are handled with automatic type coercion. Type coercion is the conversion of a value from one data type to another. Lua does this automatically and converts a string to a number or a number to a string depending on what is needed. With type coercion, the number value 25 will be coerced into a string data type. Thus, it will work with the concatenation operator and string to produce the highest score is 25. Type coercion extends to arithmetic operators too. Chew on this example for a bit. We have print 100, the string, plus the number 5. Take a guess, what is the output? Keep type coercion in mind and open the answer when you're ready. The answer is 105. 100 is a string data type coerced into a number data type. Thus the expression becomes 100 plus 5, thanks to the presence of the addition operator. And for the last one, we have print the string 100 plus 5 with 6 concatenated. Our answer says it would be 1056. The expression is evaluated from left to right. From the last example, we know 100 plus 5 evaluates to the number 105, but the concatenation operator coerces both 105 and 6 into a string data type and produces 1056. As you can see from these examples, Lua's type coercion is a convenient tool that helps us deal with ambiguous expressions. However, it can get quite tricky. The answer may have not been what you expected since it's not always clear how Lua interprets these expressions. If we want to be clear with our expressions, we can convert with functions to number and to string when we're mixing data types. For example, we have highest score is assigned 25. We then print the highest score is with concatenation of highest score, which we know is 25, but we run the toString function on it, which would make 25 a string. It would output the highest number is 25. Notice that we've used toString to convert highest score to a string to output the same string. But the benefit is that we're now being really clear about what type coercion is happening. To learn more about the built-in functions toString and toNumber, visit toString link and toNumber link in the Lua documentation. Our instructions say use string concatenation to combine the string player1 score and the variable player1 score. Print the output using print. So let's zoom out and do that. Print. Let's see what that gives us. We do pass and we get player1 score 13. Use string concatenation to combine the string player2 score and the variable player2 score. Print the output using print. So let's do the same thing here. We'll run it and we do pass and we do get player2 scores 15. Verify the type of your combined values by adding the type function to the output of your previous two statements. That is here, and we're going to do type. So let's run that, and we do get string. So that lets us know that the number is coerced into a string and then concatenated to the string. 4 says, let's get a bit more comfortable with type coercion. Try to guess the output before running your code. Use the addition operator to combine player1 score with player2 score and print it to the output using print. Okay, so we would go here. Use the addition operator to combine player1 score. So, okay, and then it says print it. if we print that out. 28. 5 says use the concatenation operator to combine player 1 score and player 2 score and print it to the output using print. How does it differ from using the addition operator to combine the variables? So let's go here. So I'm guessing it will do something like 1315 or 1315 because it's combining two strings. Let's see. And it did. And we could even go as far as throw in our type function and it should output string. And we do get string. So what we're learning here, type coercion, again, we learn it depends what operator we're using on a variable. When we use the plus, it does convert to a number, whereas using the two dots converts to string. We again use the type function to see what type of data type we end up with, which is good again for testing. And just understanding that the operator you use on a variable matters, and we need to pay attention when using an operator depending on if we want to end up with a string or a number. Just really understanding the data. As long as you're understanding that, you're getting type coercion, concatenation, and arithmetic operations. And I'll see you in the next lesson.